Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we're going to be tasting the Cushman mango. What I know most about Cushman is it looks like a grapefruit. That's how I say it looks like anything that looks like a grapefruit looks like a Cushman. It's a Hawaiian, or not Hawaiian, it's a Floridian mango from Miami, and that's about all we know about this one. It's supposed to be, I've always heard it was good, but I've never actually had one, so let's give it a try. It's very yellow on the inside.
It's very light, and it's got like an orange ring around the outside.
No smell really. Nice big amount of flesh in there. It's on the tart side, but not strong tart. It's not an overly sweet mango, but it's. Let's have another bite. See.
Kind of tastes underripe.
I don't think it's underripe, but it has that tanginess of an underripe one. But it's
See what it's like near the skin, where it's like really orange.
It's a little sweeter near, yeah, it's a lot sweeter near the flesh, near the skin. It's good. There's no.
Your mom would love this mango, I bet. She loves really tart things, but it's got like sweetness, but a lot of tartness.
When people eat unripe green mangoes, they usually say that they taste like a green apple, like a Granny Smith apple. This isn't like that, but it does have some of that. If you took 3 parts mango and 1 part Granny Smith apple and blended them together, it would be a little bit like
that. With a lemon. Or a little grapefruit or something.
Grapefruit. Yeah, a little bit of grapefruit tone in there. It's unusual to me. It's not. There's nothing bad. There's nothing in this. There's none. There's a slight bit of resin, but just it's the right amount of resin. So there's nothing unpleasant with the resin to it. There's no other unpleasant flavors. It doesn't have a lot of mango flavor to it. It's.
Cut some more for the girls to try.
It's more. It's a little more appley than most mangoes.
It's big.
It's a big mango. Gotta cut.
See how close the skin you can get.
What do you think, Courtney?
I thought it tasted a little underripe.
What do you think, Brooke?
I like it. You help Courtney up.
Just being very dainty with a toothpick today.
You did like it?
Yes.
Oh. Well, there's nothing objectionable about it at all. It just doesn't. It doesn't have a lot of mango.
I personally like sweeter mangoes.
Yeah, yeah. hands are reaching in, so you know it's a good mango. A little pineapple-y maybe.
Maybe the color is making us
Maybe
think
it looks like that looks just like a slice of pineapple right there. So overall, I'd give it a 7, maybe 7.5. It's good. There's nothing wrong with it. It's got a lot of flesh on it, which I like. The texture's nice. There's no fiber in there at all. I wish it had a little more sweetness to it.
Yeah.
So.
I'd give it a 6.
Courtney, what you get?
Probably a 6.
Brooke?
I'm not good at giving out numbers, so.
Well, there's not that many to choose from. Did you like it?
I did, yes.
Would you eat another one?
I guess so.
I mean, if we were going to cut up another mango and eat one, would you say, ooh, let's do the Cushman?
I suppose it depends on what other ones we had.
How would you rate it compared to, you're not going to give me a number, are you? So, oh yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, the fact
growing
that
on
it
you.
is, and a lot of mangoes do that, it's growing on. So before this thing turns into an 8 or a 9, I'm going to probably just close it out, and I don't have enough left probably to. It's pretty. The text. Another one. I like the texture of this one, so that's what makes me think it's not overripe, because it's got a pretty good dense texture. But
I might give it an 8.
an 8. Oh, we got a number from Ray. So yeah, this
I
is
think Courtney thought it was underripe, not overripe.
underripe.
Yeah, because there isn't much flavor developed in it.
I don't think it's underripe. It's possible though, because that's what's in. Well, since she gave the highest rating, she gets the last piece. So, but I thought that was pretty good. So, but yeah, about a 7.5 maybe.
6.
So, anyway, that's the Cushman. I think that one's worth a try. If you run into it, give it a try, see if you like it. And that's it for this one. So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.